we are here in a Cafe Europe container. This is the project which have been collaboration between two European cultural capital cities, Riga and Mons. Riga was this year cultural capital and Mons is next year cultural capital. And what we did here in these containers, we were setting up a RIXI and Riga Innovation Lab program. So many of these new ideas which we have been developing also here, we are now interested also in developing further. And also with this closing the Cafe Europe project, we are also would like to announce and launch a new project, another cooperation project, which is a cooperation between Latvia, Norway and Iceland. It's called Norse Creative Network. So because we are very much interested also in developing better cooperation and art and cultural exchanges, and especially in the field of art and science and cultural innovation in this region.
So I come from Norway, running IOLAB, Center for Future Arts. It's a micro-institution that's been in the southwest coast of Norway in Stavanger since the first startup in 2001. Over the years we've developed projects like the Article Biennial, and we have been in contact and collaborated with RIXI. We've known about each other for many years, so we're very happy to find this opportunity to collaborate finally.
Yes, my name is Margrét Elisabeth Ólafsdóttir and I come from Lorna Association in Iceland, Association of Electronic Arts. And we have already collaborated with RIXI in 2004, I think, for the first time, on a locative media workshop. And we have been organizing Pixlaverk Festival quite irregularly since 2008, and in 2010 we founded a project called Lorna Lab, which was a cross-disciplinary platform for artists, scientists and scholars and engineers. And yes, now we're going through a kind of a shift in our planning, and we're very happy to participate in this project. It's I think going to be important for us.
Oh, yeah, I'm Rasmus Hovnes, representing Pixel, based in Bergen. Pixel's main activity is an annual festival called the Pixel Festival, which focuses on open source and Libre art, software and hardware. It happens each November, and this year will be the 12th edition.
Okay, and now I can shortly say what we will do in this project. In this project we will be having workshops, production workshops, symposiums or residencies, which are aiming at establishing also a base for these art science labs in these countries, participating countries Latvia, Iceland and Norway. These labs not always should be physical, because this also can be temporary, and this can be do it yourself and fast and mobile. But anyway, on this theme we would like to bring up, and this will be explored as one of activity in each of the countries. And then the next bigger activity will be how we call innovation festivals, because we all organizations, we are running our festivals. So, and as we are also at that point that we would like to also make this very simple, we'd like to make these festivals also more visible, and also to show and circulate the artistic content, which will be very interesting and innovative, produced during these lab activities. And also to think about different formats which could make these festivals innovative, because also I'm thinking, I really believe that innovation is important not only in other fields and not only in business or economics, but it's definitely also important to have it in culture field. And that's why this title Innovation Festivals, and we will be having activities also related to our annual events. And we also will be building a platform for future collaboration, so the project is also can have more space and then also better connections for the future, and this definitely relates not only to these countries who are involved, but however which could serve a base for the network. Simply about I hope that we could be sharing responsibility so that new people are coming in and more maybe artworks are circulated and information in this round. So this I think would be the best what we could really contribute with this project.